Hello and welcome everyone to a quick video on our YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to show you how to replace some hood struts on this BMW X3. So if your hood can't stay open on its own and it falls down and you need to use a stick or something to prop it up, then your hood struts are probably bad and you need to replace them. Let's support the weight of the hood and get straight to work. There are small metal locking tabs holding the hood strut on. All you have to do is push the tab out of its place, just like that. Push the tab off and remove the strut from the hood. Now this hood strut is brittle and it broke straight away, but we don't care because it's the old one. And here we have the new piece that we're going to be installing. Just line the metal ball up and push it in place. We also replaced the other side as well. Now the hood can hold its weight on its own. And now we're gonna detail the engine bay and call the job done. And just like that, we reached the end of today's video. Hopefully you found it helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below. See you on the next one. Peace.